Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of philodendrons. These tropical plants are not only stunning, but also relatively easy to care for. Join me as we explore 9 unique philodendron varieties that every plant lover should know about. First up is the philodendron spiritus-sancti. Known for its deeply lobed leaves, this rare beauty is a favorite among collectors. It's a climber, which means it thrives when given support, like a moss pole. Next, we have Philodendron luxurians. With its large, glossy leaves and pronounced veins, this plant brings a touch of the tropics to any room. It prefers bright, indirect light to keep its leaves looking their best. Moving on to Philodendron varicosum. This variety is known for its velvety texture and heart-shaped leaves. It thrives in high humidity, making it an excellent choice for a bathroom or kitchen. Next is the Philodendron mayoi. This beauty features elongated leaves and distinct markings. It's low maintenance and perfect for beginners. Now, let's talk about Philodendron melanochrysum. With its large, dark green leaves that have a golden sheen, this plant is a true showstopper. It loves warmth and humidity, so keep that in mind. Next, we have Philodendron gloriosum. Its large, heart-shaped leaves with prominent veins make it a popular choice for indoor gardens. It looks stunning in a hanging basket or as a tabletop plant. Moving on to Philodendron camposportoanum. This climbing variety features unique leaf shapes and vibrant green color. It's a great option for adding character to any space. Next is the Philodendron squamiferum. Known for its fuzzy petioles and large lobed leaves, this species adds texture and interest to your plant collection. Finally, let's look at Philodendron imbi. This climbing variety has elongated leaves that develop beautiful fenestrations as they mature. It's perfect for a vertical garden setup. There you have it, 9 unique philodendron varieties that can enhance your indoor garden. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more plant content. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!